morning. I woke up hungry this morning. This morning I am having the peanut butter waffles I just made previously in the first video of Vlogtober, and then I cut up a banana, and of course I'm having my cup of coffee with it. Good morning. Oh, you checking your food? I really woke up thirsty this morning, baby. Baby, you gotta go potty? The day's kind of getting away from me. I'm kind of puttering and working and doing all kinds of stuff, but most of it was editing, and then I had to get ready, and I'm just going slow today. And it is almost 2 o'clock. I looked at the clock and I was like, it's almost 2 o'clock. I haven't even ate lunch yet, which is fine. I mean, those pancakes keep me full for quite a while, so I'm not worried about it. But no, seriously, I need to get some stuff done because there's always something to do around here. Cooper is laying out in the sun. He has his stick in his mouth. I don't know if you can tell or not, but he's just laying there holding his stick in his mouth and soaking up that sun. He is so goofy. I just looked and it says it's 62 degrees out, so that's not too bad. I bet you the sun is warm, especially if he's just laying out there like that. He is an outside boy. Not on cold days, he doesn't like that, but man, when that sun is out, he is outside most of the day, just laying around and doing his thing. All right, I do need to get out a couple of meats for my meals this coming week, but I need to remember what they were. Were they chicken or were they burger? Do you remember? Looking at my meal plan on the side of my fridge, and it was, I believe, chicken. I think I have to get out 2 chicken meals, yes. So we're headed out to the garage because we are gonna go get out 2 packs of chicken out of the freezer. It is, ooh, dark in the laundry room. Dark in the garage. I'm gonna turn on a light. And Justin parked my car a little too close to the refrigerator. Oh, Justin. We have the soup and the enchilada bake. There, those can thaw out for us for this week. As I was passing through here, I noticed this stack of towels. I'm gonna get these put into the washer really quickly. In October, we get monarch butterflies, and I've been wanting to show you these butterflies. I was surprised that they're actually out fluttering around because it was a little bit cooler today and cloudy. But oh, I'm so glad I captured these on my camera. I could just stand here and watch these beautiful butterflies flit around. And look at this, I spotted some color in these trees. Oh, that just makes me smile looking at it. I need a pick-me-up, and coffee is my pick-me-up. I just threw the towels in the dryer. Now we're going out to the garage. I mean, we're right here, we might as well, because it is time to start dinner here shortly. I need to grab burger and tater tots, because tonight we are having tater tot casserole, another one of Jason's favorites. So I have the burger in the pan, and I am just going to season it with normal seasoning: salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. While I'm thinking about it, I'm going to spray my pan. Don't want to forget to do that. It is always a mess to clean up if I don't remember to spray my pan. I need cream of mushroom. That was on the bottom, right? And I need, cheddar cheese soup. And this is another meal that I normally add mushrooms to, a can of mushrooms, or you could add fresh mushrooms to it too. And I forgot. It's all right. It's good. I quick chopped up some onions. I almost said mushrooms. And I added the onions right into the burger. I'm gonna let those cook up and flavor that burger just a little extra. Getting my oven preheating. I have a bowl, and I'm gonna put my can of mushroom soup in, along with my can of cheddar cheese soup. I also like to add a little bit of salt and pepper to the soup mixtures. And then once the burger's done, I just add the burger right into this bowl with the soup, and then I pour it all into the 9x13 pan, because that is basically the main layer of this casserole. I doubted myself, so I went and grabbed the cookbook that I get this recipe out of. This cookbook is so dear to me. This is a wedding gift from Mrs. G. If you're new to my channel, Mrs. G is a mother pretty much to me that has been in my life since I was 9 years old. And this is where the tater tot casserole recipe comes from for us. The book was made from the Christian school that we used to go to when I was younger, and it just so happens that the tater tot casserole was put in here from one of my teachers. So this book really just means a lot to me. And every time I use it, I'm like, oh, this is my teacher, it's Mrs. G. So, yeah, it looks like I'm doing everything right because I couldn't remember if I needed to add milk or not, and I don't. Okay, so I'm good. Now, I'm gonna go get the burger, and I'm adding it right into that soup mixture. Set this aside, move my coffee. We don't want any burger in my coffee. That would be kind of gross, wouldn't it? I have my sprayed pan. I'm gonna dump the mixture right into my 9x13 pan. I'm gonna spread that around so it covers the entire pan. Get the tater tots on top of that. Lost one. Get these all over the top in pretty much one layer, at least try to. My oven is all heated up and waiting for me. This casserole doesn't take that long. I'm gonna set my timer. It says 30 to 45 minutes, but I am almost positive it's usually 45. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll just keep my eye on it. I mean, basically when you're cooking or baking, your nose knows. So if once I smell it, I'll check it. Justin does not like tater tot casserole, so I am gonna make him some chicken with some of this garlic parmesan sauce. This one's great value. This is really good. But I need to head out to the garage because I forgot to grab it when I was out there earlier. Oh, why didn't you remind me? Shoot, we could have saved some steps. Well, we probably could use the steps for our day anyway, right? We'll look at it that way. What is that saying? Like your cup is like half full or something? Gotta look at the positive and not the negative. I was just about ready to get Justin's chicken put on, but I just remembered I need to unlock the door and I'm gonna open it. That way Cooper can look out front and wait for Daddy to come home from work. I need to remember to get some more of the sauce one day because we are almost out. I'm just gonna let this simmer in the Parmesan garlic sauce. I think it's gonna pick up all these wonderful flavors. It already smells good. As soon as it hit that heat of the pan, I probably should think of something to have on the side of that tater tot casserole. I don't know what. I had to change my shirt. I took a sip of coffee and I spilled it all over my But First coffee shirt. Look at that. I'm gonna go get this sprayed right now because I don't want that stain to set in. Jason went to the store and look what he found. He said these were the last of them. They're the Mrs. Meyer's hand soap and they're peppermint. So we're gonna put these away for Christmas. That's awesome. And then he got Cooper this because he gets heartworm medicine and stuff once a month and the little snot does not like it at all. So we trick him with that stuff. So he's gonna get his medicine tonight. For side, we decided to have beets. Oh, look at it bubbling. Oh, it smells so good. I am hungry. That was the cover. Did you hear that? That was the cover back here. Settling on that. Ooh, steaming you up. Dryer just ended, so ooh, one of the rags just fell on the floor. Doggone it. I'm gonna get these folded up really quickly. Okay, they're all folded. Now I gotta put them away. All the towels, wash rags, dish rags, everything is all put away. The kitchen is going from this to this. Oh yeah, that's how it's done. Actually, my guys did it. While I was folding towels, my guys did that. Thanks everybody.
You're welcome.
Oh, I was actually gonna tell them if you guys wanna hire them, they're for rent, for sale. What do you guys think?
50 an hour.
50 an hour, there you go.
Exactly what I was gonna say.
Okay, Cooper's getting his medicine, but don't say anything. Hopefully he doesn't smell it. Uh-oh. And he eats it. He's like, what's the trick, Dad? We'll see if he eats it all. Good job, buddy. You did it. Was it yummy? Time really flew by tonight. It's after 9 o'clock. Jason is in bed. He just went to bed. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow. Don't miss out on Vlogtober. Hit the playlist, or if you want to watch another previous video, you can hit that one too. Just keep on watching. Thank you very much.